So I bought these Pumas from Amazon UK, and I've brought them across the continent to do a quick review. What we're looking at is the Puma Smash V2 Mid SD, and the size that I bought is a UK 9.5, which is what I tend to wear in Vans, in Nikes, and in Adidas as well. So I've never tried Pumas before. I don't know if 9.5 is going to be good or small or too big. So I couldn't find any reviews on YouTube for this, so hopefully this is going to be of use to you guys. I've been looking forward to trying these boots. So we've got the boot there. I absolutely love the look of them. They seem to be quite nice as well in terms of looks. I don't know if Pumas are going to fit well or not, but basically we've got these here, and they're very nice. They are actually quite nice. So we've got the other one here, and you can basically see it's got the standard Puma design and everything on there as well. Inside you've got the Soft Foam Plus on there as well. It says it on there. I don't know what that is. I've never had Pumas before, so I don't know what it's like. And again, we're going to give this a try and see if it fits or not. They seem to be quite light, so they're not too heavy. And if the looks are anything to go by, I'm looking forward to it. So this is it. I don't think there's anything much more to say on this. You've got this little tube thing on the side as well. That's advertising the Soft Foam Optimal Comfort on here. And that's it really. So enjoy. I have also bought Vans Old School's highs, mids as well, that I'll show you later. It is to replace my old Vans, just to show you what the old ones look like. They're starting to get a bit tatty, so this is the old Vans. So the intention was to get these to replace my Vans, but I went and bought another pair of these as well. I've had this over a year now. The other thing we've got that I tend to use on these Vans is the Zubitz clips. Now this is black and it looks quite good on the actual Vans. However, for the Pumas, I might change the laces to white, and at which point I'm going to try these Zubitz. So if you actually get the opportunity to play with the Zubitz, they're very, very good. They basically go into the middle of the laces and makes it so much easier to do the laces up and down. So I might just do a review of this later if I can't find anything on YouTube. But this is what we've got. Enjoy.